guys, cinematic view, costed nothing. देखो कल जो जितना भी ज्ञान चोदा कल सब चोद दिया क्योंकि अभी तुम्हारा भाई आ गया है प्रिंस ऑफ घाट. One of the greatest things to visit for myself, to be honest. I felt like heaven. It's like Sagar Lake for me, and it's legal. Sagar Lake is illegal at sunset and sunrise, and I'm fucking loving it, man. It's a great place. If you know, you know, man. Some shit just is good. I'm stepping into poverty one step at a time. One step at a time, I'm stepping into poverty. From down $300 to down $800 in mere fucking seconds. That's some level of bullshit I'm not willing to do, but I am doing it, and it is what it is, motherfuckers. You have to manage your expenses while managing shit, a lot of shit. Well, from minus $300 to minus $800, I got $300 right now, and yeah, shit is not looking good for me. I'm being broke one step at a time, and I don't think I can handle it myself. Gotta ask my father for a fucking monthly allowance of 3K at least, other than the travel expenses. Then and only then I can do some shit. See you. जो पहले था वो वाला थोड़ा लाइफ इज गुड, फीमेल इंटरेक्शन, ये वो वाला यूज जो थी तुम्हें पता है, अपरिचित की तरह पर्सनालिटी चेंज हो जाती है. तुम्हें तो पता ही है, हो गई पर्सनालिटी चेंज. घूम गया मत्था घूम गया. घर को छोड़ के मैं जा रहा घर, तुम तुम्हारा देख लो. ये बोली नहीं करती, इस वजह से ही तो कोई लड़की सेटल डाउन नहीं करती. मिनट में मत्था घूम जाता है आदमी का. कौन रहेगा साथ? कोई चूतिया ही होगा जो साथ रहेगा. वो बात है, मेरे को कोई चूता मिली. पर देखो अभी ये बहुत तगड़ा इंट्रैक्शन है. I met a guy who modified bikes, and he had a personality, some personality to be studied. A biking personality. Had a Bonneville straight from Durham, to be honest, straight from Durham. I saw him while crossing the street. Talked to him, of course. I first complimented his bike and talked to him. He was very interested in knowing me and all. He said that you are going to be a great biker. To be a biker, you have to have it in your heart. I talked to him approximately 30 seconds max. But in 30 seconds, those 30 seconds made my day, to be honest. I really needed it. He said that I told him that and he told me that what bike do you want? I said I am a student. He said what bike do you want? I won't be having a good bike because you know the situation with the petrol and all. He laughed around and said गन्ने का जूस डाल के चलाएंगे ना फिर. I said yeah, that's the situation. I have to settle down for a Then he said everything is a nice, you just have to have it in your heart. if you didn't understand, there were two buses running at 60 kmph towards me, and I crossed the damn fucking road like a lunatic. That's why no woman wants to, and I am an asshole. But I've come in peace with it. That's one thing for sure. I'm trying to do better every day, trying to do everything I can, but I am not doing anything I can. What to do? I was at conversation, and yeah, so then he told that you will be having speakers for the sound. I said the sound was in the exhaust, and the two-stroke was great, four-stroke is good, but now there would be no soul. He said the soul is in the heart. If you are having the breeze coming towards you, you will love it. It's all in the heart. Hearing that changed my mind a little, because I always had a thing that nothing is in the heart is there just pump blood. It's all in the mind. You have to have a great mind. Mindset is everything. But then I meet people like them. He had a Bonneville, modified it, had something bikes.com like. I don't give a fuck about that. He had a great personality, to be honest, okay? He was a cool person, and I liked that. He was a cool person. He can be a mentor, and of course, like everyone, he had a mustache. I didn't even ask for his name, man. But he was a great guy. I complimented his bike and I just moved on. Then he looks like a good guy. I told him, great guy. Thanks. Then I asked a lot. He told a lot. We talked about 30 seconds. But those 30 seconds made a day cheaper. And that's why I say that you should sometimes have some random conversation with random people. What's the worst that can happen? Don't abuse them and there will be no lawsuit. That's the worst part. For the worst of the worst. But for the best part, you will have a great, wonderful conversation. Maybe you will find some mentor. But I don't get the courage to do that. बागुई आटी के लिए कहाँ से मिलेगी? यहाँ पे मिलेगा। यही घटना पड़ता है। रैंडम सिटी, रैंडम डे, रैंडम टाइम, रैंडम बस। बागुई आटी। Literally, I don't even know where I am. I just know I have to go to Baguy Ati, get a bus, go Baguy Ati. Walking in a random direction, typing